I think one of the more important things in music radio is maintaining control of your inventory, your library, how many times songs are exposed. And it's particularly important, I think, if you're a current intensive station where you may be playing songs 35 to 50 times or more per week. Here's how to design a weekly spins report. Go to reports where I was there and create a new report, which I named Weekly Spins. And I'm going to add three fields here, title, artist, and a field called plays in period. Now, plays in period is going to give me, by default, a 7-day report. And that's determined by the number we put in this field right here in days. If you want a 30-day or a monthly report, you put 30 in there. And you also might want to click that little box, played tracks only, if you're doing maybe a gold library, and that'll leave out any songs that did not get played. The sort order of the report is going to be plays in period. That's what I want. The plays in period, and I want to sort it from Z to A, so the song with the most spins will be at the top of the list, and the fewest will be down at the bottom. All right, down to print mode here. The top three buttons there, print to paper, color, black, ASCII, fixed width and comma, and tab delimited make text files. And I think this is, for right now, well, let's do it as a text file. You can put a name on here, but when you save this text file, you'll be able to name it individually each time you tell it to run and save this report. Let's just name this thing spins here, okay? We're going to make a fixed width file, so we have to tell each of our three columns, plays in period, title, and artist, we got to tell them where to print across the page. So we select plays in period and go to the column here, and we're going to say print that at column 10. And title, we will say begin printing at column 20 across the page. And artist, click on that, and let's tell artist to begin printing at column 60. That is 60 spaces from the left margin. And we're ready to go. Click the test print button down there. Let's select category power as the one we're going to print, and print it. There. When we do that, we get the opportunity, like I said, to save or to name the file. I'm going to save it on my desktop, and it will just be spins. And click Save, and it's done. I saved it to the desktop. Let's pull it up here, double-click, and open it as a text file. And here's our weekly spins. All the Best, John Prine. And those songs got all 8 spins and 7s, and down at the bottom there, a couple of number 1s that I had just added on the last day of the last week. Now, back to the report. Let's close this and save it. And now that I have that template, I can use it to print anything that I'm looking at in the category list. I can use it to print a category, or I can search and find several categories and tell Music One to print it using the spins template. But from here, it will print the list sorted the way I sort it on the screen. So I've sorted it alphabetically by artist here. I'm going to tell it to print and to use the spins, the weekly spins template, and click print, and away she goes. Let's see, let me give it a name. I will just name this one Power Spins and save that guy. And now let's open it up and see what we've got. Here's my text file sorted by spins from the last 7 days and sorted by artist. And there we go.